Hey guys, I'm Mateo with WTI, and if you have a sweet tooth like me, or you want to get somebody a nice present, you should get this Ferrero Rocher chocolate collection. These are my go-to chocolates for when I want to treat myself because they are assorted and they have some of my favorites like the original hazelnut milk chocolate, coconut, and also dark chocolate. So it's also great for sharing since everybody in my family has their favorite flavors. The box is also nice and shiny, giving it an elegant presentation. It's perfect for a thoughtful gift to somebody special. They're so delicious that by the end of this video, I ate them all. And that is my point of view.